हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डीएसए के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ये जो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ डीएसए के, ये टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस हैं और ये फर्स्ट राउंड में पूछे जाते हैं। जब आपके डोमेन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस और टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन जब पूछते हैं राउंड वन में, तभी कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जो डीएसए से रिलेटेड होते हैं। मल्टीपल कंपनीज डीएसए के क्वेश्चन पूछती हैं फर्स्ट राउंड में, जैसे कि कैपजेमिनी, कॉग्निजेंट, एसेंचर, एचसीएल टेक, डेलॉयट, जोहो, ये सारी कंपनीज पूछती हैं। तो मैं इस प्लेलिस्ट में सिर्फ डीएसए के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करूंगा ना। ये वीडियो पार्ट वन है। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं एक क्वेश्चन को। पहला क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपके सामने है टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी रिलेटेड नेस्टेड लूप का। यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोड है, इसका हमको आउटपुट बताना है। नाउ यहाँ पे वेरिएबल है काउंट, जो कि इनिशियलाइज है 0 से। ये हमारा क्या होता है, पहला लूप आउटर लूप होता है और ये वाला लूप हमारा क्या है, इनर लूप है। अगर हम लोग आउटर लूप की बात करें तो बेसिकली इनिशियलाइज आई इक्वल टू एन, और आई कब तक चलेगा, आई ग्रेटर तक 0 तक चलेगा। और अगर इस लूप की इटरेशन की बात करें तो ये देगा log n। वहीं पे आउटर लूप, सॉरी इनर लूप कब तक चलेगा, इनर लूप चलेगा आई टाइम, क्योंकि बेसिकली यहाँ पे जो कंडीशन लगी हुई है j लेस देन आई, यानी कि हर टाइम एक स्टेप डिक्रीज हो रहा है। अगर टोटल वर्क की हम लोग बात करें तो क्या होगा, n प्लस एन बाई टू प्लस एन बाई फोर प्लस इज गोज टू 1। ना इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो निकल गया 2n-1, दैट इज बिग ऑफ n। सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज अ करेक्ट वन। अगर ऑप्शन नंबर बी की बात करें, बी इसलिए ट्रू नहीं है क्योंकि बेसिकली सेकंड जो इनर लूप की बात करें वो कब तक चल रहा है, आई टाइम चल रहा है। अगर वो एन टाइम चलता तो बी ऑप्शन ट्रू होता, बट यहाँ पे आई टाइम चल रहा, हर टाइम स्टेप क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है। ऑप्शन सी इसलिए सही नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे एन इंटू एन लूप नहीं है। ठीक, बिग ऑफ लॉग एन इसलिए सही नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट नहीं है। ठीक, जो इनर लूप है उसको अगर इग्नोर कर दें कॉस्ट ऑफ इनर लूप के लिए, तो बेसिकली कांस्टेंट नहीं है। दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन नंबर बी सी डी इज नॉट करेक्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज ओनली करेक्ट हियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, binary search is applied on a sorted array of size and which of the following statement is true? So correct statement is best case occur when the middle element is targeted. So in binary search, check the middle element first. If the match is found, then it is the best case. So when the match is found in the middle of the element, then the complexity of big of 1. So that's why option number C is the correct one. Why option number A, B or D is not correct? Because best case is big of n and not log n. Option number B, first case is a log n, not big of n. Option number D, binary search cannot be applied on a sorted array with a duplicate. This is wrong because binary search can work with a duplicate through may need to modification to find the first or last occurrence. That's why only option number C is the correct one. Now question number C, question number 3. Suppose a hash table of size m use open addressing with a linear probing. If the table is nearly full, what major issue occur? So when the table is full, then a primary clustering is happen. Option number B is the correct one because in inner probing collision, inner probing collision occur, or collision cause consequence block of field slotted, that is cluster. These cluster get bigger called a primary clustering. That's why option number B is the correct one. Why other option is not correct? Because option, when we talk about option number A, hash function stop working. The hash function still work, collision are neutral, or you can say natural. Now option number C is not correct because secondary clustering occur when or with the quadratic probing, not a linear probing. Option number D is not correct because insertion is possible until the table is completely full, through performance become poor. That's why option number B is only correct here, because primary clustering in inner probing collision causes continuous block of fleet plot clustering. These clustering get bigger called a primary clustering. Option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is always true about the breadth first search is an unweighted graph? When we talk about BFS, because BFS always find the shortest path from the source of all the vertices. So option number B is the correct one. And in an unweighted graph, BFS explore level by level shortest path, minimum number of edges. That's why option number B is the correct one. Why all other option number A, C or D is not correct? Because when we talk about option number A, MST is different. Prims or crucial is used, and BFS does not guarantee MST. When we talk about option number C, BFS usually use a iterative recursion can be used, or you can say recursion is common in DFS, not in BFS. When we talk about option number D, BFS can detect cycle if the visited node is found again. That's why only option number B is correct, not A, C, and D. Now, given a array 2, 3, 7, 8, or 10 and target sum equal to 11, does there exist a subset with the sum exactly equal to 11? So, for this question, yes, we get a target subset with the sum exactly equal to 11, that is ऑप्शन नंबर ए 3,8। एक्सप्लेनेशन की बात करें अगर हम लोग, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं 3,8 हमारा क्या होता है यहाँ पे 11, दैट इज अ वैलिड आंसर। व्हाई अदर ऑप्शन इज नॉट करेक्ट? बिकॉज 2, 3, 7 it go to 12, not 11. Option number C, it also go to 12, not 11. And option number does not such a sub exit, but only option number A, because it's a valid subset exit here. So option number D wrong here. So only option number A is correct one, because 3,8 give 11 and it is the exactly equal to 11. Now, which algorithm detect a cycle in a linked list? So cycle की बात करें जो डिटेक्ट करता है cyclic को in a linked list. So the correct option is Folde, Tortoise, and Herrera, because it used two pointer, that is slow and fast. That is a two pointer that is used here. If they meet, there is a cycle. If they don't meet, there is a no cycle. But when we detect a cycle in a linked list, it means that if they both meet, it means there is a cycle here. There is a two pointer, slow and fast. That's why option number B is a correct one. When we talk about option number A, Kruskal algorithm, it used in MST in a graph. It is a unrelated. Option number C, it is the MST in graph. That's why option number C is not correct. And Cadden algorithm is used for maximum sub array, not a linked list. So option number B is only correct here. Now, what is the worst case time complexity of quicksort? So correct option here is big of n square, option number A, because it's happen when the pivot selection is poor, always smallest or largest element. That's why option number B is a correct one, and all the other option is wrong, because when we talk about option number A, it is the average or a best case, and option number C, it is a recursion depth, not a total cost. Option number D, it is too small for a quick sort. Only option number B is the correct one, because it happened when the pivot selection is a poor. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm is commonly used for maximum sub array sum? So when we talk about maximum sub array sum, we already talked in question number linked list when we are talking about Cadden algorithm, because Cadden algorithm is used or commonly used for maximum sub array sum. That's why option number in question number 8, option number B is correct one, because Cardinal algorithm is commonly used for maximum sub array sum, and it is also a dynamic programming approach that work on big of n. That's why option number B is the correct one. When we talk about option number A, why it is not correct? Because it Folde-Warshall algorithm is used for shortest path in graph. When we talk about option number C, it is work with MST, and Krebs algorithm same, it's work on MST. Only option number B is correct, because it is used for maximum sub array sum. Now, which problem is efficiently solved using a stack? So the correct option is balanced parenthesis, because it used push on and pop on. If balanced, it is a valid string. If it's not balanced, it is not a valid string. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, why option number A is not correct? Because BFS and Dijkstral is not a stack. Minimum spanning tree is not correct, because it's used in Kruskal or Prism. Subset sum, it's a DP or recursion, not a stack. So which problem is efficiently used using a stack? Only balance parenthesis, which is push or pop. If it's balanced, it's a valid string, otherwise not a valid string. So move to the next question. Which traversal give a sorted order in a BST? The correct option is in order, option number C, because in order of a BST equal to sorted order left, root, or right. Left, root, or right. This is the order that is follow here. Now, why other option is not correct? Pre-order. When we talk about pre-order, it is a root first, not sorted. पोस्ट ऑर्डर की बात करें तो रूट लास्ट नॉट सॉर्टेड. नाउ लेवल ऑर्डर की बात करें इट्स द BFS स्टाइल नॉट अ sorted. So correct option here for sorted in BST is in order. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm find the shortest path in weighted graph? No negative weighted. The correct option here is disaster algorithm because disaster algorithm work on non-negative edge weighted. That's why option number B. Oh, sorry. Option number A is the correct one. Then we talk about why other option is not correct. BFS. When we talk about the BFS used in shortest path, not shortest path only in a unweighted graph. Kruskal algorithm. It is a MST, not a shortest path. When we talk about DFS is not guaranteed shortest path. So option number A is the correct one only. Now, which classic problem solved using DP? DP. When we talk about DP, so we go with a Fibonacci series because Fibonacci series overlapping sub problem make it deal for DP. That's why option number B is correct. Why option number A is not correct? NQ because it's the backtracking, and option number C it's a recursion stack, not a DP. Kruskal algorithm it's a greedy. That's why only option number B Fibonacci series that is used DP. Now move to the next question. What is the space complexity of recursive Fibonacci without memorization? So the correct option is big of n because each recursive call added to the stack is the maximum depth of n. That's why option number B is correct. When we talk about other option number C is it is used for too large. Option number log n, it is not true here. Option number 1, it's a constant space is for iterative version. Now move to the next question. Rotating an array of size n by k position can be done in big of n using. So the correct option here is reversal algorithm because reverse first k and reverse remaining and reverse entire array that follow here. So option number A is the correct one. Reversive algorithm is used for rotating an array of size m by k position can be done in big of n. Why other option is not true? Because option number B, C, D is not true because B, C, D are sorting algorithm, not a rotating method. Now DFS can detect cycle. So correct option here is both directed or undirected because because DFS plus visited slash recursive stack logic work for both directed or undirected. Now move to the next question. Load factor alpha equal to n divided by m if alpha greater than 1 is opening address. So now in opening address at least one empty slot must exist. So the correct option here is insertion fail because in loading factor or when talk about in opening addressing at least one empty slot must exist. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. What is true about max dip? अगर मैक्स डिप की बात की जाए बिकॉज सॉरी मैक्स हिप की बात करते हैं तो मैक्स हिप इज अ प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योर दैट पेरेंट इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू द चाइल्ड. So the correct option here, option number A, because each node greater than or equal to its children. Now, which sorting algorithm is a stable? When we talk about stable, we move to the merging sort because merging sort or we can say merge sort maintain relative order of equal elements. So correct option here is merge sort. Topological sorting is possible only if detected acyclic graph allow linear ordering. So the correct option here is graph is DAG. Now KMP algorithm improves navy string matching by skipping redundant comparison. So use prefix function like ALSP array. The correct option here is skipping redundant comparison for KMP algorithm to improve a navy string matching. So the option number A is the correct one. Now in full binary tree with an internal node has how many leaves? When we talk about full binary tree, then the correct option here is n plus 1 because we are talking about a full binary tree. Full binary formula for full binary tree is L equal to 1 plus L plus 1. So the correct option here is n plus 1. Now interpolation search work best when? The correct option here is data is uniformly distributed because it estimates position using a key value. That's why option number A is correct here. Now, why other option is not correct? Because data is unsorted. It is wrong because data is sorted here. And when we talk about option number C or D, it is not guarantee efficiency. That's why option number C or D is not correct. Now, which problem is solved using a greedy approach? When we talk about greedy approach, we go with active selection because select maximum non-overlapping activities using a earliest finish time. That's why option number A is the correct one. Why other option is not correct? Option number B, C, D, it required DP. That's why option number B, C, D is not correct. Now, try is most useful for, it is useful for storing a string with a common prefix and efficient prefix based storage or retrieval. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, what is the optimized time complexity for longest increasing subsequence, यानी कि LIS? So the correct option here is big of and log, and option number D is the correct one. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है रिकर्सन और स्टैक से. यहाँ पे देखिए ओवरऑल जो रिकर्सिव फंक्शन का कोड लिखा हुआ है, आपको यहाँ बताना है टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितनी है. यहाँ पे देखें रिटर्न में यहाँ पे 2 रिकर्सिव कॉल है, यानी कि हर बार 2 कॉल यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं, यानी कि ईच कॉल मेक्स 2 रिकर्सिव कॉल हेयर, सो दैट रिकर्सन टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इज Tn equal to 2Tn minus 1. When we solve that, we get big of n 2 to power n. That's why option of B is correct here. Why other option is wrong? A, C or D? A, when we talk about A, it is a linear only if 1 recursive call there. But here is a 2 recursive call. That's why option number A is wrong here. Option number C, it is used for no quadratic loop. That's why it's wrong here. Option number D, big of log n, it's log n apply for divide by 2 recursion. That's why option number D is wrong here. Option number B is only the correct option here. Now move to the next question. Which sorting algorithm cannot be implemented in a place? So correct option here is merge sort, because merge sort it need auxiliary array, and other option is not true because other can be done in a place. So the correct option here which is cannot be implemented in place, so option number C is correct one, merge sort. And all other option number A, B or D is correct because it is the implement in place. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm is used to find strongly connected components in a directed graph? So the correct option here is option number C, Koszara-Raju algorithm, because Koszara-Raju algorithm is used to find a strongly connected component in a directed graph. Why other option number A and B, it is used for MST, and option number D, it is used for shortest path. Now move to the next question. What will be the output of following code? Just see here, int array, we have 1 2 3 4 5 here, and percentage D, and array plus 3. It means that it is a directly pointed to the 4th element of array. What is the 4th element here? It is a 4. Now correct option here, option number D, because array is pointing to the current scenario, but we add here 3. That is means it is directly pointed to the 4th element, that is here it's 4. The value of 4th pointer is 4. Sorry, when we talk about I just say array means it pointing to the current value, that is index 0, that is 0 here. ठीक, when we add 3, it directly point here 0 1 2 2 3, that is 3, and what is the value of 3 here is 4. The correct option here is option number D, because array plus 3, it is a pointer to 4th element, that is the value of pointer of here is 4. That's why option number D is the correct here. And why other option is wrong? Because it is the misinterrupt pointer arithmetic. That's why all other option number B, C and D C is not correct. Now move to the next question. In binary tree with n leaf node has at least how many total nodes? So the correct option here is option number B, 2n minus 1, because in a fully binary tree n leaf required at least 2n minus 1 node. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Array 1, 4, 3, 7, 9, 12, 15. What is the maximum comparison required in ternary search? So the correct option here is option number A, because each step divide into a three part, and log, when we talk about other option number B, it give n binary sets. When we talk about option number C and D, it is wrong here. That's why only option number A is the correct one. What is the maximum comparison required for ternary search? That is option number A, big big of log 3n. Now move to the next question. Which statement is true? Now correct statement is BFS is Q and DFS is for stack. So the correct option here, option number C, BFS use Q, DFS use stack and recursion. Now move to the next question. Length of LCS for string A, B, C, B, D, A, B and B, D, C, A, B. The correct option here is 4, because LCS B, C, A, B or B, D, A, B is used. So the correct option here, option number C here. Why other option is wrong? Option number A, B or D, because the length are wrong here. I move to the next question. Which method avoid primary clustering? When we talk about primary clustering, the correct option here is option number B and C, यानी कि quadratic or double sharing, because quadratic probing or double hashing reduce a clustering and linear probing is used for primary clustering. So the correct option here is both B and C. Now what is the worst case complexity of search in BST? So the correct option here is big of n, because if tree become skewed, then the worst case is big of n. Why other option is wrong? Option number, when we talk about option number A, it's only option number is used only in a balanced MST. When we talk about option number C or D, it is the invalid here. Now what is the time complexity of building a maximum heap for an unsorted array of size n? When we talk about unsorted array of size n, then the time complexity of building a maximum heap is option number B, big of n, because bottom up heapify building a heap in a linear time. That's why option number B is the correct. Why other option is not correct? Option number A, because it's the wrong here, because inserting one by one would be a take big of and log n. So option number C and D, it's incorrect here, it is invalid here. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm work even when the graph contain negative edge weighted but no negative cycle? So the correct option here is Bellman-Ford, option number B, because Bellman-Ford algorithm work even when the graph contain negative edge weighted but not a negative cycle here. And why other option is not correct? When we talk about option number A, Dijkstra fail on negative weighted. When we talk about option number C also work, but Bellman-Ford is classical one. So when we talk about option number D, Prism, it is the unrated, it is used in MST. Now move to the next question. Time complexity of KMP and Kruth Morris path pattern searching. And when we talk about KMP pattern searching for time complexity, it gives M plus n, big of n plus n. Option number B is the correct one. It's when we talk about other option like option number A, C and D, it's not correct here. Only option of B, big of m plus n, because big of m it is used for pre-processing pattern and big of n it is used for searching. That's why the correct option here for pattern searching is big of m plus n. Now move to the next question. What is the time complexity of reverse a singly linked list of n nodes? The correct option here is big of n, option number B, because each node pointer is changed once. Now if pre-order A, B, D, E, C, F and in order D, B, E, A, F, C, what is the root here? So the root here is option number A. That is A is the root here, because pre-order always start with the root node. That's why option A is the correct one, because pre-order start with the root node. A is the root node here, and in order here that middle this one is a root node here, and same root node is A. How we find? Because we know that in pre-order the root start with the starting. We can also say that pre-order always start with the root node. Now move to the next question. Which sorting algorithm is not stable for stable by default. So the correct option here is quicksort, because partitioning may reorder equal element. Postfix expression 10 5 plus 66 divided by an asterisk. How we solve that? And first step, we solve this one. We get 10 plus 5, that is 15. After that, we have we are going to solve this one. 60 divided by 6, that we get 10. After that, we left with asterisk, that is the multiplication. We just multiply both, we get 150 here. So correct option here, option number A. Now move to the next question. In a graph with n node, maximum number of edge in a simple undirected graph is. So the correct option here, option number C, n by 1 divided by 2. It is a complete graph, no loop, no multiplied edges. The correct option is option number C. Now move to the next question. Matrix and multiplication problem has a complexity of. The correct option here is option number C, big of n cube, because use DP table with I j pairs. Option number question number 20, trick pointer. Now just see here, we have a string hello and percentage C. This one give the position value at index 2. We have hello h 0 1 2 3 4. What we get? L. Option number C is the correct one. Now using a union by rank plus path comparison, each operation run in option number B, big of alpha by n, because alpha n equal to inverse Ackermann almost constants. That's why option number B is the correct one. Time complexity of searching a word of length L in a tree. The correct option here is traverse each character. That's why we get big of L. Maximum color required to color a bipeptide graph. Bipeptide graph, when we talk about bipeptide graph, minimum color required to color a bipeptide graph is 2. So option number B is the correct one. Now which sorting algorithm has a best case big of n? The correct option इसका क्या होगा? यहाँ पे हमारे पास if कंडीशन लगी हुई है, if n less than equal to 1 रिटर्न करता है, और if यहाँ फॉर लूप लगा हुआ है और int i equal to 0 i less than n तक है, यानी कि हमको ओवरऑल इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बतानी है, टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितनी होगी. नाउ करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बिग ऑफ एंड लॉग एन. अगर हम लोग रिकरेंस की रिकरेंस से सॉल्व करेंगे तो बेसिकली हमारा होगा आंसर टी एन इक्वल टू 2t n डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस बिग ऑफ n. और अगर हम मास्टर थ्योरम की बात करें तो हमको ये देगा टी एन इक्वल टू big of n log n. So the correct option here is n log n. Why other option is not correct? Option number B, C or D. When we talk about option number B, it's wrong because it is not a quadric. और option number C की बात करें because log factor is missing here. That's why option C is not correct. Now option number D is wrong here because it is exact a log. That's why option number A is only correct here on big of n log n. Now move to the next question. Which traversal sequence is unique for identifying a BST structure? For BST structure, it give the correct answer is option number D, pre-order plus in order, because in order of BST is always assorted, not unique, and it need two traversal, pre or in or post or in. It uniquely reconstructed. So the correct option here, option number D, pre-order plus in order, is the traversal sequence is unique for identifying a BST structure. Now move to the next question. Why does disaster algorithm fail when the negative edge? So the correct option here, because negative edge can later give us shortest path. So the correct option here is it assume once a node is visited, it is sorted path is final. So the correct option here, option number B. Now move to the next question. For Rabin-Krabs algorithm, RK algorithm, the average case complexity is, the correct option here is big of m plus n, because hashing mapping linear average, the worst case is big of n m. So the correct option here is option number B, big of m and n. It is also a sorted algorithm of pattern matching because m is used for preprocessing, and N is used for string matching. So the correct option here is option number B. Now move to the next question. What is the maximum number of node at a height h in a binary heap? So the correct option here is 2 to the power h, because h is the height and it is the maximum node of at a height h in a binary heap. So correct option is option number A, because complete binary tree is property. The correct option is option number A only here. Now move to the next question. Given a linked list with the end node, what is the worst case complexity of checking if it's a palindrome? So the correct option here is big of n, because it reverse half list plus compare, it give linear. So the correct option here option number A. Now for coin denominator 134, what is the minimum number of coins for sum 6? So for minimum number of coins, it gives 2 answer. Option number A is the correct one, because solution, when we talk about solution, 3 comma 3 or 4 comma 1 comma 1, but 2 is minimal here. So we require minimum number of coins. Question is asked, what is the minimum number of coins for sum 6? Minimum number is 2. We required minimal 2 coins here, 2 number of coins here. So option number A is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Trigonometric number of complete graph with n vertex is. The correct option here is n, because each vertex need different color. Option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Rotating an array of size n by n position result in, it gives same array, because rotation by full length bring back original one. So the correct option here is A, because हम लोग अगर एक बार रोटेट करेंगे, ये ओवरऑल अगर हम लोग रोटेट कर रहे हैं तो फिर से हम लोग अपनी पुरानी पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाएंगे. तो इट मींस दैट इट गिव अ सेम array. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट वन. Now, which data structure is best for implementing a POTQ? So the correct option here is heap. Option number C, because it providing a big of log and insertion slash deletion. So heap is a data structure is used for implementing a POTQ. Now, which is always true for Kruskal algorithm? When we talk about Kruskal algorithm sorted age and picks smallest without a cycle. So the correct option here, option number C, it pick ages in increasing weighted order. Now, minimum height of binary tree with n node. Minimum height of binary tree, when we talk about minimum height of binary tree with an n node, it give log to n. So the correct option here is the perfectly balanced tree. That's why option number A is the correct one. What is the complexity of longest increasing subsequence using a DP plus binary search? It gives big of n log n, because it's the standard optimizations. That's why option number C is the correct one. Which traversal is used in topological sorting? When we talk about topological sorting, it can be done with a BFS in degree method or a DFS stack. So the correct option here is both A and B, A BFS and Khan algorithms, or DFS that is used stack. Now, load factor equal to 0.75. It means that it defined a load factor of n divided by m. It gives option number B, 75% of slot is filled here. Now, how many comparisons are required in a word case of binary search on an array of size n? So the correct option here is option number B, because each split reduced size comparison equal to the height of recursion tree. That's why option number B is correct here. It gives log 2n plus 1. Which algorithm is used to find bridge and a artificial point in a graph? The correct option here is Tarzan DFS, because Tarzan algorithm use DFS with a discovery and low time. What is the lower bound of comparison based in sorting? Comparison based sorting. So the correct option here, it is used in discussion tree proof. So the correct option for time complexity or a lower bound, it's give big of n log n. Option number B is the correct one. Now, what is the infix form of postfix expression AB plus CD minus O asterisk? It gives A plus B or C minus D multiplication of both this one. The correct option here is postfix is equal to left to right evaluation. Post prefix means left to right evaluation. So the correct option here is option number A. Now, what is the balance factor range in AVL tree? When we talk about balance factor, it give -1, 0, or 1. Outer range, or we can say outside range, it's a rebalancing method or a rebalancing needed. The correct option here is -1, 0, or 1 is a balance factor range in AVL tree. What is the time complexity of Faraday-Warshaw algorithm? So the correct option here is big of n cube, because it's a triple nested loop used in Faraday-Warshaw algorithm. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, what is the worst case space complexity of price storing k string of average length L? So the correct option here is big of k multiplied by L, because each string may store all the character separately. So the correct option here is option number C. Now, which operation is most optimized by a path comparison? For path comparison is a flattened tree. So the correct option here is option number B. Find operation is most optimized by a path comparison. Now, question number 24. Bipartite graph checking can be done using. So it use both BFS coloring or DFS coloring. It means option number C is the correct one, because other traversal work by coloring node alternative. So the correct option is both BFS coloring or DFS coloring. Now, complexity puzzle. We have two loop here, outer loop or inner loop. So outer loop run n time or inner loop run I time. So overall total work we get log 1 plus log 2 plus it goes with log n. So overall total work we have get here big of n log n here. So option number A is the correct one here. Now move to the next question. So there is a no next question. So thank you everyone. मिलते हैं पार्ट 4 में, जहां पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे more difficult question that is asked in multiple companies like Capgemini, Cognizant, HCL, Deloitte, Zoho. Thank you everyone. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.